Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2820. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. If you check this printer, it's already in a wireless mode, and this is the reason why this Wi-Fi light is flashing. If you are setting this printer up for the first time, if you want to put this printer in a wireless mode, if the Wi-Fi light is not flashing, then you need to press Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds. Okay, and now what we need to do is we want to set this up using the mobile device. And to do this, first of all, you need to download HP Smart App on your mobile phone. Go to your Play Store, type HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. It's already downloaded on my phone, so click it open, and it's getting ready. Okay, and this is HP Smart App. So what you need to do, you need to go on top and select the plus sign. Now choose a type of printer to add to HP Smart. Set up a new printer or add a printer that is already set up. So this printer, we are setting it up for the first time. So we need to select the first one, get started. How do you want to connect this printer? You need to select Wi-Fi network and select continue. The next thing is get printer ready to connect. Select continue. Use location data. Select OK. Now allow HP Smart App to access device location. Select Y using this app. Turn on Bluetooth. Select continue. HP Smart App is asking to turn on Bluetooth. Select allow. Now it's turning Bluetooth on. Okay, and they found the printer. Once you've done everything fine, you can see HP Deskjet 2820 series is found. So select on it. Now the next thing to do is we need to put the connect printer to Wi-Fi network, and they pick up the closest Wi-Fi network available within the vicinity. So now what we need to do is to put the password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? The password is the same password you are using for your mobile network or computer in your office or in your own home. And I have the information here. You can also get the password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to type in the information, the password number, then we'll go from there. I also want to mention that this is case sensitive. If we ask you to put a small letter, then put a small letter. If we ask you to put a capital letter, do the same thing. And once you put the information finish, you can also select the I sign for you to see the information. Double check it just to make sure you got the information correct. Because if you miss any data, it will not connect. And I'm happy with it. Once you've done that, then select continue. And it will start to find the printer. Printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Now press and release the flashing information button. So the next thing to do is you press and release the flashing information button. Press it once. Okay. And preparing the printer. Printer prepared. The next on the list is obtaining IP address. So it's obtaining IP address. And is actually connected. If you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi light is no longer flashing. Printer is connected, but you need to wait for the connection. You see, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So the next thing to do is need to select continue. Connected printing service, accept all. Connecting to HP service. introducing HP Plus. Now activate HP Plus for smart capability, printing capability. So in terms of HP Plus, print from anywhere, 24/7 print security with remote monitoring, mobile scan, get printing the balance and impact. What I will do is do not activate HP. It's not compulsory. Decline HP Plus. Decline HP Plus. Okay, select continue. Registering your printer. Welcome to HP account. Please wait. Okay, you have, remind me in 2 weeks time. So you have your printer include 2 months of instant ink delivery. So what I'm going to do not enable ink delivery. It's not compulsory. Skip offer. This is if you want to use pay as you go. Select auto update and select apply. Okay, time to install ink, which we have done this. We have stored the ink. Okay, select continue. Print and scan adjustment paper. Alignment already completed. Finish setup. Setup complete. Let's print. So select print a document. Okay, and select print. Here we go. Now it's printing the document. The next thing is in terms of print from other device, not right now. Setup complete, all done. And this is the printer, HP Deskjet 2820 series, and this is the ink cartridges level. It's printing out welcome information. Here we go. So this is how to set this printer up, and this printer is ready. The only thing is in terms of HP instant ink, what I choose is pay as you go. Once the ink finishes, then I buy another ink. But if you want to ink subscription, then you can select it, but it's not compulsory. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to set this printer up to Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.